Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by linking Xcode to an existing GitHub repository so you can track code immediately. First, make sure Xcode and the command line tools are installed. They provide Git and signing. Once done, create or pick the GitHub repo and copy its clone URL, SSH for keys, HTTPS for password/token. Then open Xcode, create the project, and enable source control in preferences so the next step, adding the remote and committing, is you now connect your local project to GitHub and make the first commit. If Xcode didn't create Git, run git init and confirm with Git status. Next, add the remote using the repo URL, then stage files with git add. Use a clear commit message for history. Once committed, push to the remote branch, git push uorigin main or push from Xcode's source control menu. Make sure to resolve authentication prompts. Once pushed, GitHub will reflect your project. You finish by adopting a simple workflow and knowing how to recover from issues. Use feature branches for new work, then open pull requests on GitHub to merge. This keeps main stable. Always pull or fetch before you code. Pulling with rebase reduces merge commits. If a conflict happens, Xcode shows conflicted files, resolve them in the editor, run your tests, then commit and push the resolution. One troubleshooting tip: if authentication fails, reconfigure your SSH keys or update your personal access token in keychain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.